In today's video, folks, we're going to have a mama burger from A&W with Piri Piri sauce. Thanks, Jesse. Hello, everyone. I've got a good one coming up today. A&W has a new line in both burger and chicken using a Portuguese spice called Piri Piri. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but apparently it's a hot spice. So I'm not sure how that compares to Southwest, but I'm going to try it out today. And usually I say, or sometimes I say, I was watching a commercial and I saw this. Well, this time I was watching a food review from Jesse on the channel Just Food Reviews. And at the end of the review, he had actually called A&W and asked if they could make up that burger using a mama burger instead of the small buddy burger patty. Let's put that to the test today. I'm going to get a mama burger and see if they'll do it up with the Piri sauce. I'm looking forward to this one, and I'd like to take you along with me. Let's go for a ride. Hi, I want to get a Piri Piri, but can I get that on a mama burger?
Want the sauce?
So on the mama burger, instead of putting the ketchup and whatever other sauces you put on it,
Just Peri Peri sauce.
just the Peri Peri sauce, and then
You want all the veggies on it?
yeah, just make the mama burger up the same way you'd make up. Yes, please.
Anything else?
That's it.
Sandwich.
Just a sandwich. Thank you. That was painless, folks. So, and the cheese. I was going to ask for that anyway because the cheese wasn't on the Buddy Burger, I don't think. Or maybe it was. But anyway, you need cheese on a burger, in my humble opinion. Stay tuned. So here's what we're dealing with, folks. Oh my goodness. Look at that sauce. So this is using Jesse's suggestion, a mama burger made up. They didn't do it though. They forgot the lettuce and they didn't put the tomato on it. So all we're going to be tasting here is the Piri Piri sauce. So I think it's important. The tomato will probably be a counterbalance for the heat. So this is going to be packing some heat, folks. I can't complain though. It's a mama burger. It's going to fill me up a lot better than the Buddy Burger will. And the sauce is what we want to review. Okay, folks, I'm going in. Okay, folks, here we are. It's too bad they don't have the lettuce and the tomato on it. But again, it's a sauce. I'm a little bit nervous, I will tell you, because I haven't really been eating a lot of spicy things. But I did have a Southwest sandwich, and it didn't affect me. So we're going to go in here, folks. Look, doesn't that look good? That sauce smells amazing. But how's it taste? That's the key. Here we go. This tastes delicious. And yes, it is hotter than Southwest sauce. My mouth is warm, my throat is warm. The spice is delicious. It's like nothing of it. It's not a typical hot sauce. It's got a unique, I don't know how to describe it. Let me just take just a little bit of the sauce. This is delicious. I'm going to have to look that up and see if there's a recipe for that. This is a delicious sauce. It goes well with the burger. I wish there was a tomato and the lettuce on this as well. I did say that when I ordered it. unless you're there standing behind them, I get it. It's confusing for them. You order a mama burger, and yeah, so it is what it is. But regardless, this is still delicious. It's a really good burger. I will have to go back and try the Buddy Burger and just see what the difference is with the tomato and the lettuce, whether that adds anything to it. I think it would add a nice contrast for the heat. So if you don't have this, this thing is just going to be packing heat. If you love spicy, you will love this sandwich. It is really, really good. Um, but yeah, look, a nice cross section there. And that's the other thing. It doesn't have pickles on it. I don't think the pickles detract from it. Um, the cheese, you're not really getting a lot of it because that sauce is so overpowering. It it and it's a nice flavor. And again, it's really hard for me to describe it other than to say that it's delicious and that it's spicy. It's hotter than Southwest sauce, but I won't say it's in the ghost pepper territory. My mouth is still warm. This will definitely warm you up if you eat it. So I'd encourage you, try the Buddy Burger. If you want to just try a small sandwich. And they're fairly well priced. I think they're like $3.99. It's the same as the chicken sandwich, the Buddy Chicken with the Piri Piri, $3.99. But it's only small. I think the Buddy Burger is 1.6, 1.7 ounces, so a relatively small patty. Delicious burger. Thanks again, Jesse, for the review and the suggestion with the Mama Burger. This is probably one of the best Mama Burgers I've ever tasted with this sauce on it. So regardless of whether the tomato or the lettuce is there, this sauce makes the Mama Burger that much better. So thanks everyone for watching. I'm going to finish this up and then I'm going to have some water. Uh, thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, have a look at the playlist that's going to be popping up, and there's a video that YouTube thinks that you might like. If it's something you're interested in, then please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you along for the ride. Now I'm going to finish this up. Jamie, I'm going to give this a Brady score. This gets 10 thumbs up. I can't imagine how much better it would have been with the lettuce and the tomato on it as well. But this is a good burger. Jamie, signing off. Muy caliente.